Let's see how to make restaurant style vegetable spring roll without using all purpose flour or maida. Before I tried this at home, I thought this could be something very complex to make it, but not anymore. Trust me, this is so simple and healthy fried snack loaded with vegetables. Here I am adding 1 cup wheat flour to a bowl. And then goes 1/4 cup of corn flour. I am adding salt as per taste. Now add water little by little and mix it up to form a stiff dough. If the dough is really soft, it will absorb more oil while frying, so make sure the dough is really stiff. Let the dough rest for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, heat up a kadai or wok and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add finely chopped garlic, ginger and green chilli. Then add sliced onions and saute them well. Now I am adding some chopped green beans and carrots. Here I am using frozen due to lockdown. You may use fresh ones too. Then go sliced bell peppers. After it is sauteed for a minute, add salt and a teaspoon of pepper powder. Now goes 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now I am adding a cup of sliced cabbage. Here, since I am using cast iron which retains heat, I am setting it up for medium heat and sauteing it up for a minute. If you are using normal kadai, make sure the heat is high and saute it for a minute. Spring roll stuffing is ready, let it cool down completely. Now let's spread the spring roll sheet. Take a small size dough and roll it into a small circle and do the same with another small dough too. Now brush little oil on both and sprinkle some wheat flour on one. Now join them keeping the oiled side together and roll it thinly. Now I do this to use all the dough to make spring roll sheet. Trim it up using a knife or pizza cutter to form square shape. This way I can mix it back the cut parts into the dough and then repeat the process to make 10 spring roll sheets. Now lightly fry this on a heated tava around 30 seconds on each side. Once done, let it cool down completely, then you should be able to peel them out into 2 separate spring roll sheets. Like this, repeat for the rest of the dough. Now take 1 tablespoon of wheat flour and mix it up with water, making it a paste. Now take one sheet, placing the fried side facing towards you. Place a tablespoon of vegetable stuffing this way. Now fold them tightly by first folding the bottom edge and then from left and right side. Apply some wheat flour paste and roll it up tightly. It's ready. Likewise, repeat the same for rest of the spring roll sheets. Now fry it in medium hot oil. Fry it until it is golden brown, flipping it occasionally. It's ready to be enjoyed with your favorite dip. For more such healthy recipes, do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notification on whenever I upload new videos. Thank you.